Now we turn to the latest in the ongoing battle over the Mountain Valley Pipeline. On Monday, several environmental groups joined to file responses in the U.S. Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals pertaining to a motion to discuss a case regarding the pipeline. The petitioners argued that provisions included within the Fiscal Responsibility Act of 2023 are unconstitutional exercises of judicial power by Congress. The debt ceiling legislation was signed into law on June 3rd to prevent the United States from experiencing an unprecedented financial default. Petitioners allege MVP collaborated with allies in Congress to ensure the project would be allowed to resume construction after having to stop operations in April following a water permit vacated by the Fourth Circuit Court. The group further states that the language used in the legislation will prevent judicial review of the necessary permits to build the pipeline. The bill requires that cases pertaining to MVP be heard by the U.S. Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit rather than the Fourth Circuit, which has resulted in the dismissal of pending cases. Petitioners argue that the court should reject Congress's attempts to interfere with the court system and not grant the respondent's motion to dismiss the case. Chase Huntley, the Vice President of Strategy and Policy at the Wilderness Society, had this to say regarding the issue. Quote, Mountain Valley Pipeline could not build their pipeline in compliance with the law, so they appealed to Congress to interfere with the courts, skirting both around our legal system and Constitution, end quote. WIY reached out to the Mountain Valley Pipeline for their response and received this statement. Quote, as this is a matter of pending litigation, Mountain Valley does not have any additional details or comments at this time, end quote.